Hey guys, and welcome to Deep Space. In this video I am going to show you how to use bracket notations with strings. So here I have a variable called lastName and it has the value of Lovelace in it. Let's create another variable called myData equals to lastName. So the way bracket notation works is it comes after the variable and you put a number in it. Remember that I said as humans we start counting with 1, 2, 3 and so on, but JavaScript counts with 0 and technically that's called zero-based indexing. So it would be 0, 1, 2. So in between these square brackets you put the way JavaScript counts. For example, 0 would be the first letter, let's log it to the console. My data, I'm copying it from above just to show you what I'm entering to the console. So 0 would be the first letter, 1 would be the second, 2 would be the third, and so on. So the way we count and the way computers count are different. We start with 1, computers or JavaScript start with 0, but the amount of characters we have is the same. Another thing I want to talk about is string. If you make a mistake, for example, instead of typing Lovelace, if you type something, I don't know, Powlace or something, and if you wish to change last name 0, which is selecting this P, and you can just do like that, Lovelace. You can't fix it like that, not giving that. It still returns Powlace because once you create a string you cannot change an individual character, but what you can do is reassign it or changing its value completely in a human-friendly language. Here is additional whiteboard example to help you visualize the code. So remember, in the last video I showed you how we count as humans. We start by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, but in this video I'm just gonna show you how JavaScript counts. So JavaScript starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the amount of characters we have is the same. There are 8 characters or letters in the word Lovelace. The only difference is the way computers count, the way JavaScript counts, and the way we as humans count. So with bracket notation, so if you were to type the last name on your text editor or code editor, last name and bracket notation, if you wish to select the first character, it would be 0. The letter L its position would be 0. Technically it's called zero-based indexing. So if you wish to select the second one, it would be 1. This is useful in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to use that with arrays. And dot and bracket notation can be used to access nested objects and arrays. Hopefully that explanation was clear, and the only reason I'm doing it both on code editor and on a whiteboard, I just want you to visualize what's going on. I could do the same thing using video editing, but it takes actually longer to do that. So see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel.